throughout industrial revolutions. The continuous inventions and iterations of new materials lead to the upgrades of sealing technology. Sealing technology is the supportive key factor propelling industrial development. It plays an indispensable role supportive of secure and smooth operations of industrial facilities. Sealing failures can be hazardous or even disastrous. JST undertakes the mission to fuel social development of mankind via sealing technology. Every year, JST invests 6% of its annual turnover in research and test to bring forth innovation and upgrade sealing products. Professionalism. With a dedicated team of talented technical professionals and joint R&D centers with well-known universities, JST develops high-level sealing technology for customers, upgrades customers' industries and products, and solves technical difficulties the whole industry is facing, propelling rapid industrial development. JST has complete technical system, including material formulation lab, high and low temperature, high pressure performance test lab, high-speed dynamic test lab, cryogenic temperature lab, equipped with high and low temperature tensile test machine, material abrasion test machine, material immersion test machine, low temperature retraction test machine, DSC vulcanization tester, carbon black dispersion analyzer, high and low temperature creep tester, finite element analysis (FEA), and in combination with the company's BLM system, it can make deeper researches on elastomer materials, polymer composites, and product performance. Rigorous attitude. JST materials receive rigorous internal and third-party tests and have obtained NORSOK M710 immersion test certificates by Element Laboratory in UK, Alpine Laboratory in US, and Laboratory of China University of Petroleum, as well as RGD test certificate, API 6A PR2 test certificate, FFKM plasma bombardment test certificate, and PBB low separation test certificate. Innovation. JST is committed to innovation and has developed over 50 patented products and counting. System management. JST keeps increasing production capacity to meet the rising demand from customers. We have a Elastomer seal production workshop, Class 10,000 clean room, Polymer seal production workshop, and tooling processing workshop. JST has passed ISO 9001 system certification, API Q1 system certification, and HSE system certification. We have more optimized and advanced production processes, a higher standard quality control system, a more accurate logistics control system, as well as a safer, healthier, and more environment-friendly management system. The demand of customers is the driving force for JST to move forward. JST's products and services cover oil and gas drilling, semiconductor, new energy, construction machinery, aerospace, nuclear and wind power, medical equipment, and other industries. Meet the complex and harsh working conditions and technical requirements of various industries with its strength. JST has businesses in more than 50 countries and regions and established partnerships with top industrial companies worldwide. JST is winning global recognition and attention. JST, delivering your process safely.